Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on the topic visiting rights, electronic access and lockdown. Guardian. A person who is entrusted by law with the care, the person or property or both of another as a minor or someone legally incapable of managing his or her own affairs. Every child in India below the age of 18 must have a legal guardian. Types of guardians. Natural guardians. Natural guardians are those persons who are presumed naturally by the law to be guardians of a minor. Example are father, mother, husband, and grandparents. Limited guardians or legal guardians are those persons who could be either appointed by a court of law to manage the affairs of a minor or could be appointed by a natural guardian himself. Rights of a guardian. The natural guardian has the following rights in respect of minor children: right to custody, right to determine the religion of children, right to education, right to control movement, and right to reasonable chastisement. These rights are conferred on the guardians in the interest of the minor children, and therefore of each of these rights is subject to the welfare. Personal law and guardianship. Under the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956, a Hindu minor's natural guardian is his or her father. The mother is a guardian only after the father. This implies that in case of divorce, a mother has to file for custody of the minor as she is not assumed to be a natural guardian. But Section 13 of the same Act also lays down that right of the father to be a guardian of the minor is subordinate to the welfare of the child. This goes on to show that the Act values the minor's welfare above all. If the minor is of the age of 5 or below, then it is assumed that the mother is the natural guardian. Under Muslim law, be it the Shia or Sunni Act, a father is considered to be the natural guardian of the minor child. The mother is not given the status of a natural guardian, even after the death of her husband. This means that under Islamic law, a father will have guardianship even if the mother has custody of the minor after divorce. Although the mother may have custody of the child after divorce, the father still remains the guardian of the child, as he may decide about the child's movement, education, religion, and other important matters. Christian and Parsis follow the Guardianship and Ward Act 1890, which is essentially a secular law regarding matters of guardianship. Guardianship and custody are not the same and must not be considered synonyms. Mostly the right of custody and guardianship reside in the same person, but essentially guardianship is a greater role played by a person than custody, as custody is merely taking care of a minor's daily needs and upbringing. Custody, as compared to guardianship, is a limited right. Now, child custody. When two spouses decide to divorce each other, they usually find themselves on opposite sides with regard to custody of the child. The same matrimonial court that decides the divorce cases according to principles of the personal law governing the spouses is empowered to decide matters of custody of minor children. If the court of law awards custody to a particular spouse or parent, it means that the particular parent will be in charge of looking after the daily affairs and upbringing of the minor child. The minor child will live with the parent who was awarded custody of the child. Now, can both parents have custody of a child after divorce? When both parents have custody of their minor child after divorce, it is known as joint custody. In joint custody, a minor child may reside with one custodial parent for a specific period of time and with the non custodial parent for another specific period of time. However, it must be noted that joint custody is still not provided for by the Indian law. Visiting rights. It is a right to visit someone. The non-custodial parent receives his visitation rights through an order made by the court of law dealing with the custodial matter at hand. The order given by the court must ensure that the child has frequent and continuing contact with both parents to ensure the welfare of the child. The non-custodial parent is responsible for the care and safety of the child during the visits. Visitation rights can be granted to grandparents and not just a biological parent. Now, can my visitation right be denied by the court? Yes, if the custodial parent files a complaint or an injunction to the court in order to deny the non custodial parent the visitation rights due to his abusive nature towards the child or his tendency to affect the child immorally. Now, please note that visitation rights will not be denied if the person is not able to continue child support. Now, visitation rights during lockdown period. Modern times required modern solution. During this lockdown period, a parent could not physically visit their child. So Supreme Court has come up with the solution that during this lockdown period, the parents having visiting rights should be allowed to contact their children electronically via video conferencing. Thank you for listening for this video. Meet you until next.